We'll be learning 10 asanas today for flat stomach. Uttanasana, Adho Savasana, Dandasana, Navasana, Padottanasana, Pashimottanasana, Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana and Balasana. Uttanasana, raise your hands up and come down slowly, folding forward. Place your hands down gently. Try to press your palms down near your feet. If you can't reach down, make a cup shape of your palms. Look behind. Keep your back elongated. Raise your big toe up for intense pressure. Squeeze your abdominal region. Hold your calf muscles and look inside. Keep breathing. Focus on your breath and slowly inhale and come up. Shavasana. Rest your chest down. Extend your hands forward and stay there. Gently come up in Adho Savasana. This is your perfect measurement. Try to bring your chest downward. Keep looking inside towards your legs. Raise your heels up, walk forward a tiny step and raise your right leg all the way up. Gently bring it down. Raise your left leg up. Hold it for a few breaths. Go as per your comfort level. Gently bend down in Balasana. Relax yourself. Keep breathing. And gently release. Navasana. Stay on your sit bones and place your elbows down, lifting your knee up. Extend your right leg forward. Extend your left leg also forward. Compress your abdominal region and stay there. Bend your knees, give a nice pump, and again extend your legs forward and in, out and in, compressing your abdominal region, working on your abdominal muscles. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. Do this for 10 counts. This is a dynamic movement which is very effective for burning fats around your abdomen. And gently place your feet down, hug your knee tight. And let's start with the static posture. Raise your legs up and release your hands. Try to go closer towards your knee. Gently release and stay there. Give a nice stretch to your thoracic region. Go in a cat-cow pose. And breathe in. Relax your head down. Dandasana. Keep your shoulder and wrist in one line. Make sure you keep all your fingers wide open. Press the ground firmly and slide your legs behind, raising your knees up. Do not go down or extremely up. Stay in the center. Keep your core really tight and engaged. Do not look extremely up or down. Stay in the center. You can also include a dynamic movement in this by raising your legs up and down alternately. It depends on your comfort level. If your body doesn't allow you to take your legs up, you can stay in a static position. Hold this posture for minimum 30 seconds to 1 minute. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. Gently come down. Give a nice stretch to your shoulders, relax your body. And come forward again. Drop your elbows down. This time we are going in a low plank. Make sure you keep pressing your forearms down. And stay there, hold the position. You would feel the burn on your abdominal muscles. Gently release. Bring your knees forward. Take your head down. Curl your head inside and hug your thighs from behind. So this is the posture to relax your neck after Dandasana, as we tend to put a little bit of pressure on the neck. All the tension is released with this. Stay in a very comfortable Balasana posture. Prasarita Padottanasana. Spread your legs equally. Make sure your feet are in one line. Keep your toe pointing inside. Bring your pelvic region forward. Raise your hands and come down slowly, bringing your hands down. Keep your palms in one line. So your feet and your palms are in the same line. Bend your elbows slightly if your body allows. Try to connect your elbows and you have to place your head down. If you cannot reach down, you can take help of a block, yoga block, or any object. You can keep it under your head. Hold your ankles and again bring your head down, pushing your buttocks behind all the time. And gently release. Bring your hands forward and push your buttocks behind. So this is going to put a lot of stretch on your shoulder region, and your abdominal muscles are working over here, putting a lot of pressure and stress on your core. Gently release the posture. Pashimottanasana. Keep your legs absolutely straight and bring your toe inward. Keep your kneecaps locked and slide your trunk forward. If your body allows, hold your feet from the top. Gently bend your elbows. Hold your feet from the sides. You're holding the big toe pad. Keep your head in straight and try to go forward instead of going down. Try to bring your head forward. Once your head is going forward, your chest will start touching your thighs automatically. Keep taking tiny breaks and keep going down again. Hold this posture for 40 seconds to 1.5 minutes, depending on your flexibility and strength. Release. Hug your knee tight and stay there to release the posture. Dhanurasana. Grab your ankles. Bring your head up and raise your legs as high as possible, balancing on your lower belly. Gently release the posture and drop yourself down. Always after Dhanurasana, go in Balasana. This will help you relax your back. Bhujangasana. You need to lie down on your abdomen. Place your palms near your upper waistline or near your chest, keeping your fingers wide open. Press the ground firmly. Roll your shoulders behind and compress your elbows. Bring your head up and gently press yourself going all the way up. Stretch all the muscles and skin from your abdominal region. Hold this posture for 60 seconds and slowly release yourself down. We'll be doing one more variation. Fold your hands, grab your elbows, keep your ankles really tight, and raise your upper body up, keeping your ankles down. Your buttocks are squeezing, and slowly come down. Gently release. And coming to the last asana, Balasana. Drop your trunk forward on your thighs. Walk your fingers forward and rest your head down. You bring a lot of pressure and compression on your abdominal region, extending your shoulders forward, keeping your armpit chest region opened up. Just relax there. Release all the stress from your body. Slowly coming back. Bend your elbows. Keep breathing. Connect your hands from behind. Interlock your fingers, rotating it a little, waggle it a little. And raise your hands all the way up towards your head. Just free up your shoulders. Release all the pressure from your shoulders. Compressing your belly, come up slowly and release. Thank you so much for watching.